What's going on, guys? Been a while, hasn't it? Since I made a video. Figured I'd get out here and do one. I'm working on the dually today, and you can probably hear my dog in the background. She got anxiety issues, but they here, I might turn y'all around and let you see her. There's Sarge. There's Simper over there. She barking at a stick. Like I said, she got anxiety. She's a nut. Are you a nut? Are you a nut, Simper? Huh? Simper! What are you doing, Sarge? What are you doing, Sarge? Huh? That's my big boy. Yeah, he's a big boy. Alright, anyway. Now, y'all stay tuned and hit that like, share, subscribe button and get y'all on my face here. And I'm gonna try to put out a few videos, try to get back on rhythm. I just had a lot going on, just been taking a break, and I've been, be honest with you, I just haven't felt like making any videos. So but anyway, some things I got going on with the truck. Let's see here. I'm trying to get it ready to start doing something, so y'all stay tuned for that. Whenever I get it ready, and if everything goes through, then I'll let you know what that's going to be. But if you've watched any of my videos, you've known that in the past I was having some trouble under a load pulling the heel of it, trying to overheat, and I would back out of it and temperature go back down. But I came across another video. I can't remember who it was. I can't even find it no more. But a guy had the exact same truck and was having the exact same problems. He replaced the radiator and that solved the problem. I have cleaned my radiator the best I could, being in the truck. Of course, you can't get to it that much, but I'm sort of thinking that's going to be my problem, is the radiator's probably stopped up. This is a 2012 Silverado 3500 with a 6.6 Duramax in it. I've had the truck for 5 years. I've never done anything to the radiator. Be honest with you, I've never really done anything to the motor other than change the glow plugs. So it's been a pretty good truck. I have changed the transmission control module, and I've had changed the power steering pump, or I've had it changed. I didn't do it myself. Power steering pump went out, lost power steering, lost my brakes. Transmission control module went out. Basically the only gear I had was reverse. So other than that, that's the only thing I've really ever done to the truck. But before I got in, back beginning of last year, before I got into hauling RVs and stuff, I had a lawn care business, and so I mowed yards and everything, and I mean, I had probably 40-50 yards that I mowed. So I was mowing on a regular basis, and I done that for about 5 years. And all that dust and everything stirring up, I'm thinking that's my issue. It could just be something simple as a thermostat, which whenever I get the radiator out, I'm changing that too. But I'm just gonna, I've already got the radiator. I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna do it this video, but hopefully in the next few days, week, hopefully I can start tackling that. And but I think that's gonna be my problem, is all that dust and everything I stirred up over the years. It just got in there and it's just done basically clogged up. So like I said, I'm gonna, whenever I do replace that, I'm gonna, I don't know if I throw it in the same video, I may make a separate video. But whenever I change the radiator, I'm changing the belt, I'm changing the hose. Probably not going to do my bottom hose, because that's pretty expensive hose. But I am probably going to change my top hose. I've seen somewhere people recommend changing them every 100,000 miles, and this truck's got I think 260, 270, maybe 280 on it. I can't remember. But and like I said, I bought the truck. It had 190,000 miles, 191,000, and 5 years ago, and I've never done it. So I figure it's time to change it. So I'm changing the belt, hose, radiator, and thermostats whenever I do that. So I figured I'd go ahead and do it all while the radiator's out, and I got plenty of room in there to work. Today, we're changing the hot air intake boot. I turn y'all around, I'll let you see what it looks like. It may still be good, I don't know. I figured I'd go ahead and change it. So I'm gonna turn y'all around and let you see it, and I'll explain to you a little bit about it. So let me zoom y'all out here so y'all can see what I'm looking at. All right, so this is the driver's side of the motor. Right there is the hot air intake boot. The one over on the passenger side, that's the cold air intake. The reason I'm changing this one is, I don't know, since I've gotten the truck, like I said, granted it was 5 years ago, I feel like it's lost power and boost and everything, so I figured that could be some of my problem. As you can tell how dirty it is, how looks a little oily looking, stuff like that. I can clean this thing, and a few weeks later it looks like that again. The rest of the motor, it won't look like that, but that boot will. So I'm thinking that boot probably could be dry rotted, and it's maybe have some pinhole leaks in it, and maybe that's the reason it's getting oily looking. I don't know, but I just figure I'll go ahead and change it, and if it helps, it helps. If it don't, then I don't know. But I've never changed one of these before, so so I'm just gonna let y'all know. Basically, I'm probably not gonna video actually changing it. I might, but let's see if I can climb up here. Let's see here. Get up here without falling. Anyway, right. Yep. Yeah. All right, here we go. All right, that band clamp right there, that's a 7/16. You need a deep well socket. So we're gonna loosen that up. I thought it had one right there, and I would say, guys, let me know. But if it's supposed to have one, but it's got a band there, but there's nothing on the around it to tighten it. I don't know if it broke off or what. Actually, hold on, let me get my fat butt back down here. We'll look at the new one and see what it came with. So, all right, I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, guys. All right, this is the new one. So that could be my problem, but that band broke. I don't know, and maybe it just, I've been lucky so far and it hadn't popped off yet. But as you can see right here, I got two bands that came with this one, and they're both the same. So there's the new boot. Any of y'all wanting to know, 2012 Chevy Silverado, 3500 HD dually. I don't guess that'd make any difference, but 6.6 Duramax. I got this from Napa. And there's the part number. I think that's part number 26259. But anyway, there's the everything. Like I said, I got this from Napa. If I can find a link for one in Amazon, I'll try to leave a link in the description. Let's see here. There's, yeah, 26259. There's a bottom number 092222. I don't know what that is, but that's what I like about it right there. Made in the USA. So, I can't remember what I paid for it at Napa. And what it's going to cost on Amazon, I don't know. I won't leave no price because prices can change from the time you watch this video. But again, that may be my problem. That old one, that band or something broke somewhere. I don't know. We're going to find out here in just a minute when I start taking it off. But, alright. Well, I'm fixing to start taking that one clamp that's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Like I said, guys, that's a 7/16. Need a deep well socket, so I'm gonna loosen it up and try to get that off. Like I said, I've never changed one before, so hopefully it won't be too bad. All right. Alright, guys, I don't know if y'all can see me or what, but anyway, I'm thinking that somehow, I don't know, maybe it was like that, maybe it's clamped on or something. I don't know how to get that thing off, so basically what I'm going to do, I wouldn't recommend y'all to do this, but I'm going to. I'm just going to take an angle grinder and I'm just going to grind that band right there off. I don't know any other way to get it off, so but I'm gonna grind that one off, and then we'll get the other one put on. Alright, guys, we're fixing to try this. It's done got a little dark outside, so I got a light on, and I was having trouble locating my grinder. I'm hoping I got enough wheel left, because I couldn't find another wheel neither. It looks like I'm just out of everything. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna do this. I don't recommend y'all doing this. Unless you know what you're doing. So do it at your own risk. Because I don't want somebody come back and tell me, well, you said do this, and then now it's all messed up, now I can't fix it. No, I'm telling you, this is what I'm gonna do to my truck. You do what you want to yours. But basically, I'm not gonna cut into the pipe. All I'm doing is cutting that band. That's all I'm gonna cut. So we're gonna get up here and see if I can't get it done. Let's see here. Over here. Tell you what, you ain't got much room to work with. Alright guys, make it a little dark. I gotta move this so that way I can see. Maybe, I don't know. I just ain't got much room. Maybe that'll work. Alright, hope I didn't mess anything up. Yeah, it's a little hot, not too bad. See if I can lay down here without. Tell you what, guys, it sucks getting old. I know somebody gonna get on here and say, "Oh, you don't know what old is." And I don't. Probably make this easy if you take some of these other hoses off, but I'm not gonna do that. You know, if y'all can see on the, yeah, didn't put my gloves back on. Not too bad looking on in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do, I noticed some gunk around here, so I don't want to get that stuff in my turbo. So I may take me a rag. I'm definitely going to take a rag and clean out around there. So see if I can. I know I'm probably in y'all's way, but let's see here. I'm seeing something I don't really like. Y'all not gonna be able to see it, but see if I can't climb on up here a little bit more. I'll tell you what I'm looking at here in just a minute. Let me look at it some more. Let's see. I don't know if it's supposed to be like it or not. Get here, and I'm gonna take a picture of it. Hopefully it'll turn out. And let y'all tell me if y'all think it's supposed to be like it. So, all right, hold on. Alright, so I hope y'all got that picture. Hope y'all can see it. Basically what we're looking for is, to me, it looked like 2 cracks in there inside that where that hose or where that boot goes in, inside the turbo area there. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Try to call my buddy C Farmer and see if he can tell me. He didn't answer, so I'm waiting on him to call me back. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I tell you what, guys. For you mechanics out there that work on vehicles every single day, my hat's off to you. I just couldn't do it. Not every day. Alright, so that one's on. Back off it a little bit. Make sure it's on there good. Alright. Now I'm going to take this band. I'm going to slip this one over the pipe. Get it out of the way. Alright. Guys, I don't know what torque these are supposed to be at. I'm just going to snug them up a little bit and I'll find out. If I remember, I'll add it in the comment or add it toward the end of the video. You don't want to get too carried away. You don't want to bust the pipe, but you do want to get it tight enough to where the boot don't pop off. Let's see. I'm gonna move this band back just a little bit. I need me one of them little small ratchets. What I need. I think that'd be good right there. Alright, that's all I'm going to do right now. I'll find out how tight I need to get it or whatever, but alright, give me have y'all here in just a second. Alright guys, so basically that's the new boot on, and I still haven't torqued it down or got the torque specs or anything like that yet. I'm not going to crank it up until I have it tightened down the proper torque or whatever. If I can't find any, and I just snug it up the best I can. I won't get on it with that impact. I just get an actual socket wrench and just snug it up that way. Like I said, you don't want to get too tight to bust anything, but at the same time, you do want to get it tight enough to where it don't pop off, because that's I'm assuming that's under pretty good pressure. So but anyway, let's see here, see if y'all can see me. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's done got dark out. But anyway, got that done, and I'm waiting on Sea Farmer to give me a call back and let me know about how tight I need to get that. So but at least that's done. Hopefully that was my problem, losing some of my power and boost. I'm gonna clean that other boot up and just look at it after it's clean and tell if I can find any pinholes or dry rot or anything like that. I'm thinking that original one, that band that I cut that was on the pipe itself, I don't think it broke. I think that was actually made on there like that from the so that goes to show that that was the original boot on the truck. I think it was pressed on. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Sea Farmer had that same issue whenever we went out to California, took that trip out to California, and I forgot where we was, but I had to run down to Napa and get him clamped. But if I'm not mistaken, I think that was the same band that broke on his. So but anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all don't mind, y'all hit that like, share, subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so that way you'll know whenever I put new content out. Again, guys, I apologize for not putting any videos out here lately. Like I said, I haven't been in the video making mood, so I'm sorry if you don't like it. Oh well. But I appreciate the ones that hang in here with me and support me on my channel, and y'all just keep hitting that like, share, subscribe button, and keep helping my channel grow, and I continue to try to put out good content, so best I can. So I'm not a video maker. I'm just old redneck out here just doing what I can. So anyway, we'll get back with y'all later. So as always, y'all be safe. Semper Fi.